Hi, Belle. Hello, Belle. Good afternoon. Are you okay? How are you?
Yes,
Great.
I'm I'm great.
Okay, that's good to know. You are sweating, Belle. Did you play? Did you play?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you did. Okay. And did you turn on the fan? Did
No.
you turn on? No, you did not. Okay. So you can turn it on if it's really hot. Now let me share my screen, Belle, and for today we'll have the continuation of the page 39. Okay, which is this one, right? Okay, so again, we will be answering if they are wearing these piece of clothing or not. Okay, now let us have him again. Belle, is he wearing a hat?
No.
Okay, okay, yes, that is right. No, wait, let me get my pen. Is he wearing a coat? Okay. Mhm.
Anh với anh anh với lại người ta thấy anh làm laptop.
Okay. What about for two?
Okay.
We will check your answers after you're done answering it all, Belle. Okay. Next one. Okay. And last one, Belle. Okay, yes, thank you so much, Belle. Now for the first one, Belle, you got it most of it correctly. Okay, yes, he's not wearing a hat, not a coat as well. Sweater, no, but he's wearing boots. Belle, okay, what he's wearing right here is what we call boots because boots not only can be as big or it can reach your ankle, your knees, Belle, but as well as sometimes it'll just until your ankle. Okay, so this is a boot, which is designed for durability, protection, and foot or ankle support. Just like this one, wherein he is in the jungle. So this is boot. Okay, it's boot. This is not a sneaker. Okay, because a sneaker, it is breathable, Bell, and it's just for comfort and for daily wear. Okay, now next one we yes, t-shirt, and he is not wearing a dress. Now for the second one, Bell. Okay, she is actually not wearing a dress. Well, she's not wearing a dress. See, the upper one, Belle, is different to the one she's wearing below. Because when we say dress, it is covering not only your bottom part, but it covers the top part of the body and the bottom part of the body. So it's not a dress. Okay, now the next one. But we can say, Belle, that she is wearing a t-shirt inside her coat. Okay, t-shirt. Now, next one. Yes, he is wearing a hat and a coat, not a sweater. Okay, boots, shorts. Okay, very good. Okay, yes, that is right. But or we can as well say that he is wearing a t-shirt inside his coat. Okay, and next one, hat, coat, sweater, boots. Yeah, not boots, shorts, sneakers, t-shirt, and dress. Okay, yes, just that. Well, thank you so much. So now let us proceed to this one. What is it, Belle? This one.
It's a hat.
Okay, very good. What's this?
It's a coat.
Very good. This one.
It's a sweater.
And the last one is
Boots.
boots. Very good. Now let us have this. Okay, you have to complete the question and as well as answer it. Is she wearing a sweater, Belle? No, she isn't. Blank a coat.
Is she wearing a coat? Yes, she is.
Very good. What about for two?
Is he wearing boots? No, he isn't. It is he wearing a hat? Y- Yes, he is.
Okay, yes, very good. And that is correct. Thank you so much, Bev. Now I want you to look at this table right here and tell me the correct answer. Is he wearing shoes and socks? Is he wearing shoes and socks? Yes, he is. Very good. Is she wearing a hat and a boots?
No, she isn't.
Very good. It no. Is he wearing a sweater and pants?
Yes, he is.
Is it yes? Mm-hmm. Is he wearing a sweater? Yes, he is wearing a sweater, but not a pant. Not pants. Well, not pants. Okay, so it's no, he isn't. Okay, now last one. Is she wearing a t-shirt and shorts?
Wait a minute. Yes, she is.
Okay, yes, she is. Very good. Well, thank you so much for that. Okay, so now let me erase your writings. Well, and we'll now the grammar animations of Unit 4, Lesson 4. Let me prepare it first. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Belle, is he wearing a blank? Yes, he is. What do you think is the missing word here? Okay, very good. Is he wearing a coat? Yes, he is. What about here, Belle? Is she wearing black? Yes, she is. Okay, yes, a sweater. Now, is he wearing a blank? Yes, he is. Okay, now what about for this one? Very good, Belle. Okay, now, is she wearing boots?
No, she isn't. She wearing shoes.
Okay, yes. No, she isn't. She's wearing shoes. What about in here? Is he wearing a sweater?
No, he isn't. He
Very good. He is.
he wearing he wearing a t-shirt.
Great job, Belle. Is she wearing a coat?
No, she isn't. She's wearing dress.
Okay, yes, she's wearing a dress. Is she wearing a t-shirt?
No, she isn't. She wearing shirt.
Okay, is that a shirt? It's a
Yes.
sweater. It's a sweater. It is a sweater.
Uh,
See? Now, next one. That's okay. That's okay. Is she wearing a hat?
yes, she is.
Is it yes? No. No, she's not wearing a hat. It's not a hat. She's wearing a cap. She's wearing a cap. Okay, this is hat, but the one that looks like this, Belle, that is the hat. That is the hat. Okay, so that is their difference. Next one. Okay, so we're done. Now let us have another activity. I think we'll have a review now. Okay, yes, it is our review. Now, can you tell me, Belle, what's this?
It's a it's a French fry.
Yes, very good. It's French fries. What's this?
It's a stick.
Okay, yes, steak. What's this?
It's a eggs.
Okay, yes, these are eggs. What is it?
It's a skirt.
Very good. What about this one?
It's a dress.
Great job. What's this?
It's a cap.
Okay, it is a cup. What's this?
It's a hat.
Okay, what's this? What are these?
These are boots.
Very good. What are these?
These are shoes.
Very good. What's this?
It's a milk.
Okay, what about this one?
It's a yogurt.
Great job. And the last one is
The butter.
very good. Okay, you remembered it all. Now let us have this. What's he wearing? He's wearing pants. Is it A or B? Okay, very good. Does she have bananas? No, she doesn't. Okay, what do you want? I want egg. What are you wearing? We're wearing blue shorts and orange sneakers. Okay, great job, great job. So now let us have this one. Look at the given picture right here and complete the question and answer. Does blank like milk?
Yes, she is.
You have to complete it.
Does she like milk? Yes, she is.
Is it
Yes,
yes?
she does.
Yes, she does. Very good. What about for two? What is
What
she?
she wearing?
What is she wearing, Belle?
Wearing a blue t-shirt and yellow shorts.
Okay, very good. Next one, blank, he want eggs.
Does he want eggs? Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he does.
Okay, yes, very good. And the last one,
What what does he want? He wants spaghetti.
great job. Okay, so smart. Belle, thank you so much for that. Now let us move on to listening one. Okay, so you have to tell me their answers. Okay, let us listen to this.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Do you want an apple?
Yes, please. No, thank you.
Okay, do you want an
Yes,
apple?
yes, please. No, thank you.
Okay, yes, very good. Yes, please. No, thank you. Okay, now let us have the next one.
2,
What's your phone number? It's 555-0182.
What's your phone number?
555.
Okay, 555. Oh, 182. Okay, that's okay. Well, that is fine. Now let us proceed to this one. Okay, tell me if it belongs to food, dairy products, or clothes. Okay, now what's this?
It's a cheese.
Okay, is it a food, a dairy product, or clothes?
Dairy products.
Okay, very good. It is a dairy product. What's this?
It's a skirt.
Where does it belong?
It's a coat.
Very good. It's a clothes. Okay, next one.
It's a french fry.
Where does it belong?
It's food.
Okay, very good, Belle. French fries. Next one. What's this?
It's a steak.
Where does it belong?
It's food.
Okay, yes, very good. Steak. Next one, Belle. What is it?
It's a milk.
Okay, yes, it belongs to.
Dairy product.
Very good. Dairy product. Okay, what about for this?
It's shorts.
Okay, shorts, and it belongs to.
Coat.
Okay, very good. Well done. Thank you so much. Oh, not shoes. Wait, short. Okay. Now let us have the next activity. Read and tell me the answer. Does blank apple? Is it yes, she does, or no, she doesn't?
Does she like apple? Yes,
Very
she
good.
does.
Great job. Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Apple. We have banana.
Oh,
Does she like apple, Belle? Okay. No. No, she doesn't. Okay, now what about in here? What?
What does she wearing?
Yes. Okay, what is she wearing? She's wearing pants? Okay, she's wearing a dress. So now let us proceed here. Okay, what's he wearing? He's wearing pants. What does he have apples?
Yes, he does.
Very good. Do you want spaghetti?
No, I don't.
Okay. What does she want?
She wants salad.
Great job, Belle. Okay, next one. Tell me the missing responses. Here is the answer pool. Okay, now, do you want an orange? What is the answer here?
Wait for.
Are you writing it, Belle?
Okay.
Okay, yes, please. Oh, with an emoji. I see. Okay, so what about in here? It's 9420381.
What's your phone number?
Okay, very good. What's your phone number? Do you like milk, Belle? Okay, yes, I do. Okay, now in your sentence, Belle, don't forget to put the period. And of course, after yes, we will have the comma. Okay, yes, I do. Thank you. So now we'll do the next one. Okay, now can you tell me what's this? What color is it?
It's black.
What about this? What is it?
It's a block.
Blob. Okay, what is it, Belle?
It's a clock.
What about this one?
It's a clock.
Very good. A clam. What is it?
It's a lamb.
What is it?
It's fly.
Very good. It's a fly. What is it?
It's a brush.
What is it?
It's a bread.
What is it?
It's a crab.
Crib. Okay, it's a crib. And this one is?
A crayon.
Okay, what about this one?
It's a frog.
And this is a
Friend.
friend. Okay, there you have it. Now, can you read the first sentence, Belle?
This clam is black.
Very good. What about the next one?
My friend likes bread.
Very good. And three?
The flag is in the crab.
Crib. Can you say it again? Crib. Okay, yes, that's correct. Uh-huh. Okay, now, what does your family like to eat, Belle? What does your family like to eat?
Rice and salad.
Okay, very healthy one, Belle. Okay, now can you tell me what is it?
It's a peach.
Very good. What about the next one?
Spaghetti.
Very good. It's spaghetti. Okay, what about C?
Orange.
Okay, yes, it is an orange. What about D?
Apple.
Okay, yes, apple. E?
It's salad.
Okay, yes, it's salad. And the last one,
It's butter.
very good, Belle. Okay, butter. What does she want, Belle?
She
She wants.
cheese.
Okay, yes, she wants cheese. And that is correct. Thank you so much. Now, I believe that's all it for our class today, Belle. So you can eat now. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Belle.